Unit Plumbing. Chapter The Supply System. The supply system is the network of pipes that delivers hot and cold potable water under pressure throughout the house. Let's look at the position 1. Water enters underground from the street through a 3/4 inch or 1 inch metal pipe. In houses built prior to 1950, the metal is usually galvanized steel. After 1950, copper. In the case of a private water supply, the pipe is usually polyethylene. Position 2. If you pay for water and sewage, your home's usage is measured and recorded as the water passes through a water meter. If you find no meter inside the house, one is probably located in a pit between the house and the street. You can monitor your consumption measured in cubic feet by lifting the cap and reading the meter. Position 3. Next to the water meter, before or after both, you will find a valve, which allows shutting off the water supply, both cold and hot, to the entire house. If you had never noted this valve, do so now. When a pipe or a fixture springs a leak, you don't want to waste time searching for it. Position 4. Water heaters are most often large, insulated, vertical tanks containing from 40 to 120 gallons. Cold water enters the tank from a pipe extending nearly to the tank bottom. Electric elements, a gas burner or an oil burner, heat water to a preset temperature. When hot water is drawn from the top, cold water flows in at the bottom to replace it. If the home is heated hydronically with circulating water, the water heater may consist of a heat exchange coil inside the boiler, or it may be a separate tank, heated with water from the boiler through a heat exchange coil. Wall-mounted tankless water heaters provide a limited but continuous supply of hot water through a coil heated directly by gas or electricity. Position 5. Supply pipes, both cold and hot, that serve many fixtures are called trunk lines and are usually 3/4 inch in diameter. Pipes serving those bibs and other fixtures with high demands may be 3/4 inch as well. Position 6. Pipes serving only one or two fixtures are called branch lines. Because they carry less water, they are often reduced in size to 1/2 inch and, in case of toilets, 3/8 inch. Exceptions are pipes serving both a shower and another fixture. Position 7. Every fixture should have shut-off valves on both hot and cold incoming supplies. This is so that repairing the single fixture does not require shutting off the entire house supply at the meter valve. Position 8. A pressure-balanced anti-scald valve or thermostatic temperature control valve prevents the hot and cold temperature shocks we have all experienced when someone suddenly draws water from a nearby fixture. They are not inexpensive, but they provide insurance against scalds and cold water shocks, which maybe trigger a fall in the elderly. Position 9. Fixture is the generic plumbing term for any fixed device that uses water. Drain pipes are sized according to the rate of flow they may have to carry. One fixture unit, FU, is defined as a discharge rate of 1 cubic foot of water per minute. Plumbing codes assign bathroom sinks, lavatories 1 FU, kitchen sinks 2 FU, and toilets, water closets 4 FU.